So it's now been a few years that as Édition AFD, the publishing arm of the French Development Agency, we've been collaborating with GlobalDev on a series of workshops. We organize those workshops for young researchers, primarily from the Global South, that attend various events organized by the Global Development Network. Presently, the annual GDN conference in Clermont-Ferrand. And in the context of these workshops, we train young researchers to do things that, as researchers and in academic settings, they are not really used to do, which is communicate their research to broader audiences, not just academic communities, but beyond those, the so-called general public, decision makers, various stakeholders, funders, etc. The experience has been so great because every audience is different, every setting is different. We, together with the GlobalDev team, we've worked in Ecuador, in Senegal, now in France. And every time the composition of our little group of researchers is different in terms of discipline, in terms of their background in research communication. Some of them come with some knowledge of the techniques of research communication. Some of them come with no background in that area at all. So it's always so interesting because you don't know, you come prepared, of course, but you don't exactly know how your audience is going to react. And every time you leave sort of enriched by the interactions you've had, the questions always very on point and very thought-provoking that the participants have. So it's a sort of, it's a two-way learning process for the workshop participants, but also for the GlobalDev AFD team that's running them. There's just so much work that can be done, and GlobalDev is such a fantastic platform that can bring together not just researchers, but also a whole range of stakeholders. And I think the future, and there is no surprise there, probably lies in how we mobilize new digital tools, primarily AI. There is a lot of ongoing reflections on the possibilities to integrate AI to such platforms. And I think, digital inclusivity is definitely going to be something that I see for the future of GlobalDev as a platform.